Welcome to Lesson 4, the PPC Keyword Tool. Let us move from purely analytical tools to a tool that allows you to organize keywords for pay-per-click bidding.
SEMrush's PPC keyword tool enables you to organize a large group of keywords into ad groups for a campaign. You can add your target keywords to the campaign from different sources and organize them into ad groups automatically within the tool's interface.
That's right. Moreover, the PPC keyword tool helps you reduce your cost per click expenditures by removing duplicates and eliminating cross-group negatives.
Finally, it provides you with local data for your keywords.
We have already sent a solid group of keywords to the PPC keyword tool right from the keyword analyzer. Now let's see how the tool works. In some cases, exporting the keywords directly from the keyword analyzer may be enough for your project. But if you're working on a very big campaign or updating an old one, you may want to also add lists of keywords from other SEMrush reports, or import your own set of keywords from CSV text or Microsoft Excel files. One nice feature that can help you put together new keywords is the Merge Words feature. Simply combine all the possible options related to the different criteria of your product. In our case with pizzerias, we will combine criteria including quality, big, delicious, pizza name, pepperoni, marinara, and location. SEMrush will help you build a new list of long-tail keywords. You can merge up to 3 sets of keywords. By clicking Add Keywords, you will automatically add this list to the initially created default group. Alternatively, you can create a separate group for a specific strategy, for example, a pizza making class if you're planning to create an ad to promote a new pizza making school. By the way, when adding new keywords using the PPC keyword tool, you can manually create or select groups to put them in, or auto-group them, and let SEMrush decide how to group them for you. If you plan to create a separate ad for every individual keyword within the campaign, choose the third option called Create Groups 1 Keyword equals 1 Group. With this third option, every keyword will have its very own group. By default, all the keywords in every group you create or add to your campaign have a broad match type. According to your strategy, you can change them all to another type such as phrase match, exact match, or modified broad. We now have a keyword list in the rough. The next step is to polish that list of keywords. We recommend that you start by cleaning them. The PPC keyword tool offers a cleaning capability that scrubs unnecessary keyword elements, including articles, interjections, prepositions, conjunctions, or specific words that you want to avoid targeting in search, such as the word free. Next, let's delete duplicates. Fortunately, there's one incredibly useful button that will help you remove all of them. To exclude all the words that might bring you irrelevant traffic, use the Move to Negatives function located under the Actions menu. Depending upon the project strategy, this action can be performed on the campaign or group level. For now, we have only keywords that we want to bid on, but we can create more powerful campaigns if we divide them into groups. You are welcome to create as many groups as you want manually, and later add keywords to them by utilizing the Move to Group feature under the Actions menu. You can also drag and drop keywords. There is another incredibly useful feature. For PPC specialists, the most challenging moment is when you realize that your own ads are competing against each other, thereby needlessly driving up your pay-per-click cost. The scenario is often the result of using broad or modified broad match types across multiple groups. SEMrush helps you avoid such situations. Once you're done with grouping keywords, do not forget to click on the Cross-Group Negatives button, and SEMrush will automatically find all your intersecting keywords across different groups. Moreover, if you're running several campaigns simultaneously, you can get rid of intersecting keywords across groups within different campaigns. You'll see a full list of keywords you should avoid, sorted into different groups, and it will be automatically sent to the negatives list. By the way, you can send negative keywords to the PPC keyword tool manually at the group or campaign level. We mentioned earlier that you might not want keyword searches with the word free to trigger any of your ads, so feel free to add that as a campaign level negative word. In case you're new to pay-per-click and are not quite sure which of the aforementioned activities need to be conducted for your campaign, use the recommendations feature and keep improving your campaigns with SEMrush. Before we move to the next step, there is one more tip for using this tool, which I and other PPC pros utilize.
If you already have existing PPC campaigns in your AdWords account, you can upload it to the SEMrush toolkit and remove the cross-group negatives or use other recommendations. Then you can easily download it and upload back to AdWords. All the modifications you make within the tool will be converted to the AdWords format without losing data.
Let me take another moment and provide some useful tips. First, collect keywords through multiple channels. In any pay-per-click campaign, you need to maintain a delicate balance between expanding your keyword list as much as possible and keeping it relevant to your topic.
Second, the PPC keyword tool helps you gather keywords in different ways. It allows you to import keywords from existing AdWords campaigns. It allows you to import keywords from CSV, Excel spreadsheets, and text files. It provides you with long tail suggestions. It assists in finding related keywords and phrase matches. It assists in merging keywords to build new keyword combinations.
And finally, when polishing your keyword list, be sure to execute the recommendations in the same order they are given. For example, if you start with cross-group negatives and then proceed with cleaning keywords, you will then need to go back and check if new cross-group negatives appeared.
Practice is invaluable, so try using the tool by yourself and dealing with your own keywords. Then explore the Read Further section. Visit our knowledge base and the SEMrush blog for more information.
So that is the PPC keyword tool. Now, time to make the ads!